When I speak of faith, I do not speak of size. I speak of trust. For the smallest faith, like the tiniest seed, holds power beyond measure. You see this fire before you? It began with one spark. Faith is the same. It doesn't shout, it glows quietly until everything around it is touched by light. The kingdom of heaven is like a mustard seed, so small you could lose it between your fingers. But when it finds good soil, it becomes a tree tall enough for the birds to rest in its shade. That seed doesn't strain to grow. It simply yields to the sun, to the rain, to the unseen hands of the Father who gives life to all things. And so it is with faith. You are not asked to make it mighty. You are only asked to plant it, to believe, when you cannot yet see. Because each prayer you whisper, each act of kindness, unseen by the world, is a seed sown into eternity. You may not notice its growth, but heaven does. And one day, what began in silence will become a refuge for many. Do not despise small beginnings. The Father builds great things slowly, so that the roots grow deep enough to hold when the storms arrive. So plant your faith today. Water it with trust. Let patience be the soil that keeps it steady. And soon you will see what the world calls impossible take root in your very heart. For faith, even as small as a mustard seed, is enough to move mountains.